In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use audit logs in Asana. Audit logs are your organization's activity trail in Asana. They help you see who did what and when, which is vital for security reviews, incident investigations, and compliance reporting. Typically, only organization admins can access these logs, so make sure you're signed in with the correct permissions before you begin. To get started, head to the top right corner of Asana and click your profile icon to open the menu. From there, select Admin Console. If you don't see that option, you may need to ask your admin team for the right level of access. Once you're in the admin console, look at the left-hand sidebar and open the Security tab. This is where Asana groups security-related settings and tools. Within Security, locate the section labeled Audit Logs. Opening this area brings you to the place where you can view or retrieve the activity records for your organization. From here, you can download the logs so you can analyze them in a spreadsheet, share them with your security team, or store them for auditing purposes. Look for a download or export control. Asana commonly provides the file as a CSV, which you can open in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. If you see options to narrow the time range or select event types, set those to capture only what you need. Smaller focused exports are quicker to generate and easier to review. Also, note the time zone used in the export so your timestamps match other internal systems when you compare data. When the file is ready, save it in a secure, approved location. Audit data can include sensitive operational details, so handle it according to your company's security policies. As you review the file, focus on the key fields that matter to your use case, such as the actor, the action taken, the affected object, the timestamp, and the IP address if available. Sorting and filtering those columns will help you spot patterns or anomalies like unusual access times or unexpected changes. If your organization aggregates security data, consider placing the CSV where your security or IT team can correlate it with logs from other systems. Establishing a regular export cadence, such as a monthly download, helps maintain consistent records and reduces reliance on live console access during audits. And that's it. You opened the admin console, navigated to the security tab, found the audit log section, and downloaded your records for review. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you use Asana's audit logs with confidence.